If you're looking for a real work-from-home job in 2026, you've probably seen hundreds of videos promising easy money online. But honestly, most people don't need 20 different options. They just need a few legitimate opportunities that actually work. So, in this video, we'll look at 3 of the best work-from-home jobs in 2026 that real people are using to earn money online. First, freelancing, because freelancing remains one of the most flexible ways to work from home. Instead of working for a single employer, provide services directly to clients. Some of the most popular freelance skills include graphic design, video, editing, writing, social media management, virtual assistants, and website design. The great thing about freelancing is that many people start with skills they already have. You don't necessarily need a degree or years of experience. To begin finding clients, many freelancers start with small projects, build reviews, and gradually increase their rates over time. And once you develop a strong portfolio, finding repeat clients often becomes much easier, which can create a more stable source of income. Now let's talk about the second option, remote customer support, because thousands of companies now hire remote support agents to help customers by email, live chat, or phone. This can be a great option for beginners because many positions provide training and don't require advanced technical skills. The job usually involves answering questions, solving customer problems, processing requests, and helping users navigate products or services. Many companies offer flexible schedules, which makes this one of the most accessible remote careers available today. Some positions are part-time, while others offer full-time employment with benefits, making it attractive for people looking for long-term remote work. Now, let's look at the third option, AI training and data annotation, because artificial intelligence is creating entirely new types of jobs. Companies developing AI systems need people to help review information, label, data, evaluate responses, and improve AI accuracy. Platforms offering these opportunities have grown significantly over the last few years, and many tasks can be completed from home using only a computer and internet connection, while earnings vary depending on the project. This has become one of the fastest growing categories of remote work, especially for beginners looking for flexible schedules. As AI continues expanding, many experts believe demand for these types of roles will continue growing over the next several years. Now, here's something important. No matter which option you choose, avoid jobs that require large upfront payments or promise unrealistic income, because honestly, legitimate work-from-home opportunities don't usually guarantee that you'll make thousands of dollars overnight. Real remote jobs still require effort, consistency, learning, and patience, just like traditional jobs. Now, let's be honest for a second. The best work-from-home job depends on your situation. If you enjoy working with clients, freelancing may be the best choice. If you prefer a more structured position, remote customer support could be a better fit. And if you're interested in flexible online tasks, AI training jobs may be worth exploring. So to wrap this up, 3 of the best legitimate work-from-home jobs in 2026 are freelancing, remote customer support, AI training, and data annotation. Because honestly, you don't need dozens of options. You only need one good opportunity and the consistency to stick with it.